More than one-third of the Netherlands lies below sea level, facing the relentless power of the North Sea every day. To protect millions of people from catastrophic flooding, Dutch engineers created Delta Works, one of the largest hydraulic engineering systems ever built. For decades, scientists and engineers studied tides, storms, geology, and coastal dynamics to understand how an entire nation could survive below sea level. The solution would require massive concrete barriers, steel storm surge gates, and an unprecedented network of hydraulic defenses. This is the story of Delta Works and how engineering learned to control the sea.
Keep her steady, Coxswain. The swells are picking up.
Before a single foundation can be placed, engineers must first understand the full force of the North Sea. Every sonar sweep and sediment sample reveals how the seabed will support one of the most ambitious flood defense systems ever built. With the survey complete, attention now shifts beneath the waves, where the future foundations of Delta Works will take shape. Beneath the waves, the unstable sands of the estuary must first be transformed into reliable engineering ground. Powerful compaction systems compress and strengthen the seabed, creating the foundation that every future structure will depend upon.
We are clear for descent. Maintain current speed. Roger that. Tension verified. Deploying smoothly.
With stabilization complete, the project is finally ready for the arrival of the enormous concrete structures that will shape the Delta Works. Protective geotextile layers now shield the reinforced seabed from decades of relentless tidal erosion. Deep below sea level, engineers begin constructing the massive concrete caissons that will anchor the Delta Works barrier system.
Guide it down slowly. 5 more meters, watch the overlap. Okay, bring it right here.
High-strength reinforcement and continuous slip-form construction allow these structures to rise with extraordinary strength and precision. Every completed caisson is engineered to withstand immense hydraulic forces while supporting the future storm surge defenses. Once fully cured and verified, these 18,000-ton structures are prepared for one of the most demanding marine transport operations ever attempted. With construction complete, the enormous caissons must now leave the dry dock and begin their journey toward the open estuary. Advanced lifting and positioning systems guide these structures through constantly changing tides and unpredictable weather conditions. Controlled ballasting operations gradually transform floating concrete giants into permanent subsea foundations. As the first caissons lock into place, the physical outline of the DeltaWorks barrier finally begins to emerge from the sea. While the foundations take shape offshore, fabrication begins on the massive steel gates that will ultimately control the power of the North Sea. High-tensile steel plates are formed and welded into hollow structures engineered to resist decades of cyclic storm loading. Every critical weld undergoes rigorous inspection to eliminate hidden defects before final deployment. Protected by advanced anti-corrosion systems, these completed gates are now ready for the next stage of assembly and integration. Inside precision engineering facilities, massive hydraulic actuators begin taking shape as the mechanical muscles of the DeltaWorks barrier system. Micron-level machining and advanced sealing technologies ensure these components can withstand decades of continuous operation in harsh marine conditions. Every actuator is assembled and tested under extreme hydraulic loads to guarantee reliable performance during major storm events. With testing complete, these powerful hydraulic systems are ready to drive the enormous floodgates that will defend the Netherlands from the sea. Transported from fabrication yards to the open estuary, the massive steel gates begin their transformation into an operational coastal defense network. Precision lifting systems and marine installation equipment position each floodgate within millimeter tolerances between the concrete caissons.
Crane, you are clear to lower on my mark.
Roger that. Moving down slowly.
Forged hinges, hydraulic actuators, and structural locking systems unite thousands of tons of steel and concrete into a single integrated barrier. With the final mechanical connection secured, the Delta Works barrier now stands physically assembled across the estuary. As the mechanical systems come together, an intelligent control network begins transforming the barrier into a fully automated defense system. Thousands of sensors continuously monitor structural loads, hydraulic pressures, tidal forces, and environmental conditions across the entire infrastructure network. Industrial control systems process vast streams of telemetry data, providing operators with real-time awareness of every critical component. With automation and monitoring fully integrated, the barrier is now prepared for its first full-scale operational testing phase. Before facing the full force of the North Sea, the integrated barrier system must first prove its reliability through large-scale operational testing. Hydraulic power units drive the massive floodgates through carefully controlled closure sequences under real-world conditions. Every actuator, hinge, and control system is monitored continuously to verify precise mechanical performance. With the final gate seated against its concrete sill, the Delta Works barrier successfully completes its first full system closure trial. As an extreme Atlantic storm front approaches the Dutch coastline, the barrier enters its most demanding operational scenario. Locked tightly against the concrete foundations, the massive steel gates absorb immense hydraulic forces generated by the rising surge.
We are hitting critical load on the lower beams. The strain gauges confirm the distortion. Keep monitoring closely.
Real-time monitoring systems track structural loads across the entire defense network, while emergency systems remain on standby. Through absolute mechanical strength and hydraulic control, the barrier successfully protects the interior waterways from the storm. Maintaining protection for generations requires continuous inspection, repair, and long-term infrastructure stewardship. Advanced underwater inspection systems monitor critical structural components exposed to constant marine forces. Specialized maintenance operations restore protective systems, ensuring reliable performance throughout the barrier's service life. Standing firm against the North Sea, the Delta Works remains one of humanity's greatest achievements in hydraulic engineering. More than 1/3 of the Netherlands lies below sea level, facing the relentless power of the North Sea every day. For millions of people, survival depends on a permanent engineering system capable of controlling water on an unimaginable scale. This is the Delta Works, a vast network of steel, concrete, and hydraulic defenses built to hold back one of the most powerful forces on Earth.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.